Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and you are good. I know that this is very difficult time for all of us, but this is the only way that if we are in the home, then only we can protect ourselves and this society. And I hope you all are doing the homework on time and you are giving some time, some quality time for studies also. So here I am going to discuss some questions. Anand of 8th C, he is having some doubt. He is having doubt in question number 14, 15, 18 and 21. So I'll cover these questions and I'll upload it on YouTube as well as on Snap Homework also. So let us discuss this question and this example number 14. If the salary of X is 20% more than the salary of Y, then by how much percentage is the salary of Y less than the salary of X? First of all, we'll try to understand this question part wise. The first part is saying that if the salary of X is 20% more than the salary of Y, very simple statement. Salary of X is more than salary of Y. There are two persons, one person is person X, another person is person Y. The salary of person X is 20% more than the salary of Y. Then by how much percentage is the salary of Y less than the X? So this is our question. It is asking that by how much percentage Y is getting less than the X. So first of, and we don't know what is the salary of X, so we'll take it as 100. So let Y's salary be rupees 100. Then in the question it is given that X is getting 20% more. X is getting 20% more, then what will be Y's salary? Of course, X is getting 20% more, so we'll add 20% more in 100. So 20% of 100, that is equal to 20 upon 100 into 100, that is 20. It means that X is getting 20 rupees more than Y. So how much X is getting? 100 rupees plus 20, 120. So we have here, we are having Y's salary and 120 rupees is X salary. Now you'll find the difference. Who is getting more salary? X is getting more salary. So 120 minus rupees 100. So that is equal to rupees 20. Now Y is getting 20 rupees less than X, and we have to get percentage of Y salary, that Y is getting how much less than the X. So we'll find out, we'll convert it into percentage. So Y is getting 20 less, and we have to compare with whose salary? X salary, and X salary is 120, and we have to convert into percentage multiplied by 100%. 0 cancelled, and we'll divide. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, again 2 3 are 6, 2 10 are 20. So this is 50 upon 3%, and this we can write as 16 whole 2 by 3%. This is example number 15, and this example is same as example number 14. In example number 14, it was given that X salary more than Y salary. Here it is given that B salary less than A salary. So both the questions are same. We'll try to understand these questions. Please pay attention. B salary is, there are two persons A and B, and B's salary is 25% less than A's salary, means B is getting 25% less than A. By what percent A's salary more than B's salary? Very simple question. How much A is getting more than B? In the percentage we have to find out. So we don't know the salary of A, so we'll take it as 100. Let's A's salary be rupees 100. Then what will be B's salary? B's salary is 25% less. Here B is getting less. So A is getting 100. So B is getting 25% less. So 25% of 100. So that is equal to 25 upon 100 into 100. That is rupees 25. So B is getting 25% less. 25 rupees less. So what will be B's salary is 100 minus 25. A was getting 100 and B is getting 25 less. So B's salary is rupees 75. And what will be difference between A's and B's salary? A is getting 100 and B is getting 75. So the difference between both the salaries is 25. Now A is getting how much more? How much percentage more than B? So 25 more A is getting, and we have to compare with whose salary? We have to compare with B's salary. More than B. Here it is written this, please pay attention on this statement. Here it is saying to compare A's salary with B, and B is getting 75. We'll compare with B, and we have to convert it into percentage. So multiply by 100 3 times. So 100 upon 3%. So this we can be written 33 whole 1 by 3%. In example number 18, there are some terms. So first of all, we will try to understand those terms. I'll read that question. The price of the onion has increased by 40%. By what percent must a consumer reduce the consumption of the commodity so not increase the expenditure? So in this question there are certain terms. First of all, we will try to understand those terms. First one is the consumer. What is consumer? Consumer, a person who buys the goods. A person who buys the goods like onion, any grain, corn. A person who purchases the thing that is known as consumer. Next term is commodity. What is commodity? Any economic good like onion, grain, corn, like these are the commodities. Next term is used in this question, that is consumption. The use of something is known as consumption. Suppose in our home, if daily we are using 1 kg potato, so that is our consumption. So per day 1 kg we are using potato at home, that is our consumption. And the next term is expenditure. Expenditure means the amount of money that is spent on something. Suppose you are using 1 kg of potato at your home, so that is your consumption, everyday consumption. And if you are spending rupees 20 for that potato, 1 kg potato, that is your expenditure. I think it is clear to everyone. And how to find out expenditure? When per kg price multiplied by the consumption. Suppose the cost, the price of 1 kg potato is rupees 20, and your consumption of potato is 2 kg. So 20 multiplied by 2, rupees 40. That is your expenditure on that particular item. So how to solve this question? In this question it is saying that onion is increased by 40%. Suppose we all are using onion at home. Suppose every day we are using 1 kg onion. There is a use of 1 kg onion at our home, and today the price of onion is 40 rupees per kg. If in the next week it increased, the price increases by 20 rupees. Now after 1 week the price is 60 rupees per kg. So what will happen? We will not use 1 kg. Sometimes it happens that we reduce our consumption. Instead of 1 kg, we will use only 750 grams of onion or half kg of onion. So in that case, our expenditure will not increase. मतलब ये है कि अगर आपके घर में डेली 1 kg प्याज यूज़ होती है और उस प्याज का प्राइस 40 रुपए किलो है, 40 रुपीज़ kg है, और उसका प्राइस अगर बढ़ जाता है कल को 80 रुपीज़ हो जाता है, तो इसका और आपको अपने खर्चे को नहीं बढ़ाना है, अपने एक्सपेंडिचर को रिड्यूस कर उतना ही रखना है जितना पहले था, तो आप क्या करेंगे, अनियन का जो यूज़ है उसको हाफ कर देंगे। 1 kg की जगह कितना यूज़ करने लगेंगे, हाफ kg। तो इस क्वेश्चन में वही पूछ रहा है, द सेम थिंग इज आस्किंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन। 40% increase, the price of onion is increased by 40%. There is some technical issue, so that's why I cannot continue this video. So I will discuss this question in my next video.